Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going up to Desert Wraps to check out the concepts for the wrap for this thing. I think you're all going to really like it. I'm not going to show you it yet. I'm just going to go up and have a look myself. I'm going to wait and surprise you guys once the wrap's actually on the car. Hey guys, we just got here to Desert Wraps. We're going to go in, talk to these fellers, see what they have to say about the design they're working on, see what we think of it, and we'll go from there. Hey guys, so like I said, I wasn't going to show you the concept, but let me tell you, it is absolutely fantastic. You guys are going to love this. I think you'll all be real excited whenever we get this on the car. I really want to show you, but I think it'll be better just to wait and see it whenever it's on the car. So, I can't say a whole lot about it, but definitely the wrap is going to come out absolutely sweet, and it's going to get put in. I think the car is going in tomorrow, so hopefully it'll be done next week. My mom and brother are actually coming out at the end of next week, and they haven't seen the Rally Fighter at all. Just, you know, a little bit of pictures here and there and some of the stuff on the channel here. So I think it might be done by the time they get here, so they'll actually get to see it, their first impressions with the new wrap. I'm real excited for that, and I hope, I think you all are going to love it. Okay guys, so I just got here to Lowe's. I'm picking up a tow hitch and trying to find a flag. I was going to use the tow hitch to mount a flag for going up to Glamis to the dunes, and we were going to do that this weekend, but it's not looking like that's going to happen now, because now the plan is tomorrow dropping off the Rally Fighter up at Desert Wraps, and hopefully they have it done by next Wednesday. And, it kind of sucks I won't have it over the weekend to go up to Glamis like we planned, but with the transmission and stuff the way it is, maybe it's for the best. So I don't know if I'm just nitpicking or what, but the more I think about it, the more I don't absolutely love the concept of the wrap that they have right now for the hood. I think I'm going to call them back and see if they can't come up with something a little different for me. And like I said, I don't know if it's nitpicking or what, but I figure if I'm paying the money to have the wrap done, I may as well have it done so that, it's perfect. Yeah, I don't think I'm being too over needy. The rest of it I absolutely loved, but the hood, it just left something to be desired. I'm not sure exactly what. I don't even have any real idea what to tell them to change, but all I know is I do think I need it changed a little bit. Hey guys, we're calling Desert Wraps. Gonna talk to him real quick about some of the things I was wondering, and hopefully get some answers.
It's Desert Wraps. This is Shelby. How can I help you?
Hi, Shelly. It's Michael Miller.
Hi, Mike. How's it going?
Good. I know we had talked before last week about looking at the difference between the satin and the matte and stuff like that. And we didn't go over that, so I wasn't sure if I'd be able to look at the difference on that maybe whenever I brought it in.
Michael, yeah, we'll color proof it, and we'll do a matte and a gloss lamp.
All right, and then the other thing, the more I think about it, something about the hood I just didn't love. How much of a problem would it be to change that a little bit?
Not at all. When Ryan emails you over all four sides, just let him know what you're thinking on it, and he'll adjust it for you.
See, that's the problem. I don't even know what I'm thinking on it. I just know that, like, the rest of it I really loved, and the hood, just something about it just didn't quite click.
That's okay. That's not a problem at all. We're here to make you happy.
Okay. And I think that'll be all my questions then.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
These people are really easy to work with. I know they seem to be excited about the project as well. I know the one guy there was like, if we can make it look right the way you're wanting, he's like, can I drive the car out in the desert? And I'm like, if you can make it look like what I'm wanting, we'll go for it. And pretty much they hit it dead on. One thing was I was wanting kind of an orange in some parts of it, and they went with a red instead. But I think the red's going to look good, and yeah, I'm real excited to show you guys. Hell, I'm real excited to see it myself. I know the pictures they did up just look absolutely phenomenal, so yeah. I know I keep spouting off the same thing saying I'm loving it, but I really do, and I can't wait.